You and along with your MEP colleagues out in Brussels have been pushing very hard for Mario Draghi to come before the banking inquiry. Would you accept at this point now that that's not going to happen?
Probably, yeah, to be quite honest about it. It's not to say that we're going to stop putting pressure on the ECB. On the other hand, I also believe that a mechanism will be found, that there will be some engagement between the ECB and the banking inquiry. What form that will take, I'm not sure, but I think from the point of view of Mario Draghi attending the actual committee hearing in Leinster House, I think we have to accept it. It's not going to happen. It's interesting though that the ECB had previously said that there was legal impediments to them doing that. We pressed them on that, and it seems that the line has changed, and they're now saying it's just something we don't do and we won't do.
What about Jean-Claude Trichet? I mean, the same.
I think the same principle will apply there. It's important that these people answer the questions that the members of the Oireachtas Banking Inquiry have, but it's equally as important that they provide the documentation, any particular details of minutes of meetings, of notes of phone conversations, or whatever the case may be that the ECB have in its possession relating to the bank inquiry. The banking inquiry has the potential to be a turning point in Irish history, certainly in terms of the way in which we conduct politics and business.